for companies seeking to raise capital to grow or provide exit options to shareholders. Initial public offerings or IPOs can be an effective route. Through an IPO, CEOs can envision growth and set new goals that include investing for innovation, increasing brand awareness, and improving their company's creditworthiness. This year, optimism regarding IPOs is growing stronger. The EY 2023 CEO Outlook polls showed that 40% of CEOs who have transactions in sight over the next 12 months are exploring IPOs, spin-offs, and divestments.
In the local IPO scene, the Philippine Stock Exchange is eyeing to hit a monumental 175 billion capital raise with 40 billion earmarked for IPOs this year.
Instead of asking whether the markets are ready for IPO aspirants, CEOs pursuing their bold vision should ask themselves, what can we do to achieve a successful IPO journey? Here are the 5 things companies can do to be IPO ready.
1. Develop an IPO strategy with a strong equity story that incorporates a growth-focused corporate strategy and a business plan that shows how your company can seize new opportunities. A well-defined IPO strategy should be anchored in a holistic, end-to-end view of the key milestones in an entity's IPO journey, from strategic planning to IPO execution and aftermarket performance.
2. Revisit your current organizational structures. Since company ownership will be open to the public, current shareholders should assess the ownership structure, how much the public will own, what types of investors they plan to attract, the corporate image they want to project, since these potential investors can influence the strategy and direction of the company post-IPO. Corporate structure should also be reassessed to let potential investors identify each business unit or department's level of responsibility and accountability.
3. Start looking at the finance organization through the lens of public markets even before going public, in order to meet the increasing demands for reporting and analysis.
4. Start good sustainability practices that are aligned with the company's strategies and engage advisors with a background in environmental, social, and corporate governance or ESG. In the Philippines, investors are increasingly considering ESG factors when making investment decisions. Public companies are required to disclose their sustainability efforts as well as include their plans to further improve performance and achieve their ESG targets.
5. Enhance policies, systems, processes, and controls to identify potential weaknesses and opportunities for improvement. Entities will need to demonstrate the reliability of its outputs to an expanded set of stakeholders.
Our accumulated experience in SGV tells us that the IPO journey must be approached as a structured, managed transformation of people, processes, systems, and culture of an organization.
Through careful planning, companies will be better equipped to transform their bold vision for growth into a reality through a successful IPO journey.
SGV. We nurture leaders and enable businesses for a better Philippines.